judges na magtatanong sa ating candidate number 1. 1 minute. Oh, hindi naman na daw. Okay lang daw. Wala nang time, pressure. Pero wag abutin ng 30 minutes, Maria. Charis. Okay, ang judges na unang magtatanong ay yung check. Ayan, wala pa po yung isang mic. Ito, ipapasa ko na lang mo yung mic. Ayan, yung isa pakibigay po sa judges. Ito na lang yung mic na gagamitin mo, Andrea. Ang unang magtatanong ay si judge number... Okay, wait lang. How are you? Ayan, saan yung mic niya? Dito nga muna. Okay, ano mo? Hello. Okay, eto na. Bunod ka kung sinong judge ang magtatanong sa'yo, Miss Andrea.
Dire-diretso na?
Yes, Mare.
Dire-diretso na, guys. So, eto na talaga.
Ikaw na rin magbanggit. Thank you.
And my judge for tonight is Sir Dean Castro. Ay, okay. Madam Dean. Wala nakalagay name lang. Sorry po. Kensya na.
It's okay.
Person lang.
It's okay.
Nagkakamali din. Wala akong taong perfecto.
Okay. Your question is, what do you think is the biggest problem facing old gays today? And what do you recommend to end the problem? One more?
Yes,
Okay.
po.
What do you think is the biggest problem facing old gays today? And what do you recommend to end the problem?
Thank you very much for that very timely and relevant question, Madam Dean. Ladies and gentlemen, the question that was given to me, what do I think is the greatest problem that the old gays are facing today, and what can I do to address it? Ladies and gentlemen, standing before you, I am Miss Yang La Victoria. I have been a breadwinner for the longest time with my family, been supporting them throughout joining competitions from every single barangay, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. With all of the winnings that I have won in competitions, I put it to the medicines of my mother and my father, even having the option to adopt a baby girl. So madami po akong sinusuportahan. In the question, for me, what is the biggest problem that old gays are facing today? It would simply be savings. Wala po kaming naitatabing pera para sa amin. We can never deny the mere fact that most old gays of today do not have enough financial capacity to support themselves. We support our family. We put all our nieces through school and education. However, we always put our needs at the very last. Why? Because as LGBTQIA+ members, we are selfless. Hindi po namin iniisip ang aming sarili. Uunahin namin ang aming nanay at tatay at ang aming buong pamilya bukod sa aming sarili. And in that question, how will I be able to address it? By opening the eyes of the people. Thank you very much. Because we will be able to say, we should support the idea of the home for the Golden Gays. In Quezon City, sinarado na po ang home for the Golden Gays. Therefore, if there is an old gay and their families can no longer support them, hindi po natin masasabi because the nieces na pinag-aral natin, one day they will have their own families. Hindi naman po natin sila mapipilit na ibalik ang kabaitan at binigay natin sa kanila dahil yun ay taus-puso at bukal sa puso nating ibinigay. So therefore, if there is a home for the Golden Gays, hindi po tayo matatakot tumanda dahil may isang tahanan na tatanggap at yayakap sa mga old gays, the Golden Gays. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I hope everyone here will support it if it will be placed in the Senate. Thank you and good morning.